Okay, so I've got a nice little run right here. Kind of deep, I think. Nice deadfall tree there. I can actually just kind of drift I've got a dropper setup, a dry dropper setup. So my dry is going to be this caddis, this elkhair caddis stimulator. And the dropper is going to be this pheasant tail bead head. So it's October 24th, 2016. It's a little chilly out right now, so there hasn't been much dry fly action. Like 2 months ago when I was here, I probably had to catch like 60 fish. So right now it's just basically drifting this dry with a pheasant tail, which needs to sink. That's the trick of this, is you actually have to have it sink far enough. And since it's right next to me, I'm probably not going to have much luck. So I'm going to have to cast up a little bit higher. Kind of keep an eye on my dry. Oh, there we go. You saw it kind of taking off. Whoa, this is pretty slick right here. Oh, he got away. Well, I know it works, so I'm going to try it again. A little bit closer to me this time, so we'll see if they spot me or not. Alright, so right about here. Oh, just disappeared again. Boom, got him. Looks like another pretty fish. So obviously, since I can see the dry up here, he took the dropper, the pheasant tail. Ooh, that's pretty body. Let's see what we got here. Oh, well, it was a nice brook, I believe. Again, I'll just kind of drift it in there. It seemed to be like hitting right over here, so I'm not sure what's going on over there. It's probably about the time that the pheasant tail actually gets down kind of low enough. And this is pretty close to me, so I would really be surprised if I got a strike there. Just a little bit further away, the water's a little bit faster. There we go. These guys are little guys. This guy will probably fall off too. Yep, just like that. Well, they're making it easy. Catch and release the easy way. But as you can see, they're just loving this pheasant tail. Doesn't look like much, but I guess it's supposed to be like a mayfly or something. Pretty effective. I'm pretty sure I tied this one, so that makes it extra special when I catch something on a fly that I tied. I seem to be right about here, right about there. I'll try a little bit higher. Gonna let it drift down into this stuff and keep an eye on it. It's a nice one. Boy, they're all holed up right there, it looks like. I can't see, but this is a nice one. Look at this guy. I wouldn't mind landing this one just to take a look at him. Some pretty colors. It's a nice brook. Oh, looks like he's got something stuck in the side of him already. What is that, an egg? somebody. Aw. Aw, poor little guy. What happened there, buddy? I didn't do that to you, did I? Aw. What happened? A little flesh wound? Alright, let's try this again. I'm going to drift it high. Keep the rod tip high. You can see the little waves of my feet. Kind of drifting into the dark, deeper stuff. It's either that's a fish or the bottom, so must have been the bottom. So one more. I can't see my dry. Oh, there it is. Mr. Little brook trout. Settle down, Beavis. See, you took the nymph right there. Took the nymph pheasant tail. It's a nice little brookie.